9.
Baby.
You know, say school don't resume. Like this, I have to buy lunch box, full flask, water bottle for the children. And we have to pay their school fees. Beginning of the term, as they resume like this, we go pay them. Take, read the thing where they write for here. You go only meet their parents.
Wow.
Read them. Why they do that like that now?
I don't see what's they write inside there. All this school self, This thing, this school fees, they know they even price them.
Now stockfish, which one be price them?
Baby, we go price them, make them reduce cost, I beg.
Don't make them price them now. Make they go do bonanza for you. How you take see
As it be now, I don't even have any money.
You have money. You go have money in Jesus' name. Which one be say you don't get money?
Amen. I even need money to renew my club membership.
God go provide.
God will help us.
Amen.
But first, we need to help ourselves. You know that?
No!
Let me just come inside and come inside.
Mary, I can't go and see your father. Stop now. That's not in the mood.
Now, for you, every time you are not in the mood, you're not even romantic. If not, you see, all these things now is what will be making someone be looking at a woman outside.
I don't understand. So I cannot be on my own again. I must be in the mood every day.
It's not. I said some of my friends that they are the one that is looking at woman outside.
Cheremo Barrow and nature woe. Us in why you going in the Cheremo. Well, I'm cheating now. Cheater. Every day, person will knack. No, the tire. Ha. Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Baby, oh.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How you doing now? How far now?
I'm fine.
What's happened? Why is your hand like that? Jesus. Baby, what is this now?
This?
This.
Oh, it was one of my colleagues at work that fainted. He fainted. Now, baby, you need to see me now. I just boom, jump into action. You know, as I jump into action, I just went straight to the situation. You know, and I had to do CPR. Then, as I did it to her, she now came back to life. Now, baby, thank God I have that doctor experience for the lesson.
So you did like mouth to mouth?
No, as an experienced doctor that I am. And now, you know, and I brought the woman back to life.
You don't mean it? So you did like mouth to mouth, shirt to mouth. Which one did you do? Because I don't understand why kisses on your body and you're telling me you did CPR. Do I resemble Mumu in your eye? What kind of nonsense? What is this thing doing here?
No, no, this one is slip of the mouth.
Babe, boy, I slip of the mouth.
Slip of the mouth.
Me say make I come learn how to do mouth to mouth. Only God know when one fine bobo go faint. You go need the mouth to mouth. Don't tell. You come the help am make it come back to life.
What you do like this?
I dey check how to do CPR or CRP, mouth to mouth.
Why?
For research purposes, we not gonna know who go faint tomorrow. Make we for help the person. Hey, remember saying that today those interviewers they come for that how to know your spouse.
Wow. How much, sir? Because me, I don't have money. I don't have money.
Which one be how much? Now volunteer with the volunteer. Which one be this thing? They know they pay person.
But baby, you see, all these kind of things, they are meant to pay us. That's how you go around doing free things. Even in Freetown, nothing is free.
Thank you for telling us about yourself. That was interesting. The next set of questions will be fun. We want to know if you know yourselves. Okay.
I know my husband now.
There we go. So, who is more level-headed in this stress situation?
Jesus!
It's me now. It's me, definitely. I'm the head of the house, you know. So it is my responsibility to be level-headed and take charge of the whole affairs of the house.
Okay. Next question. So, who is more annoying?
It's definitely her now. So someone cannot play with you.
Play with you.
Okay. Next question. Who has a bad sleeping habit? Okay. Who is more likely to cheat?
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm not gonna look you.
Is you know one time I just helped one of my colleagues. I just saved her.
Helper, lifesaver, hero, star, trophy, only you. You helped her, then the next day her lipstick just gone for your body, just gone for your shirt.
I told you it was a slip of mouth.
Oga CPR was a slip of mouth. But this man they cheat. In fact, now you be cheater. Only you. Fear wagi. I'm done with this interview. I beg. I go vex. I don't really vex.
That's what they do because she they cheat. She just run. Women fear them. You can go now, Mr. Interviewer. See some other time. Udo.
Thank you.
What did he say?
God.
What did he say?
I